This Churchill Crocodile is being restored by the Museum Collection 3945 in the Netherlands. The Crocodile modification added a flamethrower to the heavily armored Churchill Mk.VII in place of the hull-mounted machine gun. Unfortunately, the external fuel trailer is not yet attached, but the heavy towing link and armored fuel line are visible at the rear of the tank. The 75mm main gun and flamethrower were not mounted, but the coaxial Besa machine gun was installed as shown here. The flamethrower operator is seated to the left of the driver in the front of the hull. Taking the flamethrower seat gives a clear view of the driver's position to his right and the turret behind him. Switching to the driver's seat shows the flamethrower's position to his left. The projector is not installed, but the mount, sight, controls and fuel line can all be seen. Moving on to the turret, the loader has his own hatch on the right hand side, while the commander and gunner share the cupola hatch on the left. Entering through the loader's hatch shows his position to the right of the main gun. On the other side of the turret, the commander is usually standing up, while the gunner is seated in front of him to the left of the main gun. The number 19 wireless set is at the rear of the turret and is operated by the loader. Switching to the gunner seat, the opening in the mantlet next to the gun sight is for the coaxial Besa machine gun, which isn't mounted yet. Going back to the loader side of the turret, the flamethrower and driver positions can be seen in the front of the hull. Finally, we exit the tank through the loader's hatch.